Hello everyone, welcome back to another Household Empties video. Today we're doing Dollar Tree Household Empties and mini reviews. First off, I used two of the aluminum sheets, the 30 count. I love these. I love these for pan lining, saving leftovers, any kind of thing like that. These are great. They don't rip easily, and I prefer them over their roll of foil. Next item we have is the Home Essentials Tall Kitchen Bags, the loop closure. You get 14 bags in here. I want to say this is not a bad deal. This is a good deal for 14 bags for $1. They're thin. You can't overstuff them. Don't put anything with any kind of sharp edge, like a very sharp, pointy cardboard box like this one. It will shred that bag up. So you almost use two of these every time you bag up your trash to reinsure the bag. I don't love these. I don't completely hate them, and I will repurchase them if I have to, if they don't have my other handle bags, but they're not great. Next up we have Spick and Span Sparkling Forest. This is a multi-surface cleaner. I love the Spick and Span sprays, and I especially love the ones when you can find them with the scents. Typically I do find these at Dollar General, but the reason why I put this in the Dollar Tree video is because you can buy Spick and Span at the Dollar Tree. I love their antibacterial sprays. Anything multi-service from them, I love them. They do cut grease, they do clean your counters, they clean up messes, because it's a multi-purpose kind of cleaner thing. So I love this. I love this. And I love that they come in scents. Soothing Lavender Fabric Sheet. And these were good. I think they done what they were supposed to. I'm pretty sure that they did. I always repurchase this brand from the Dollar Tree, and you get 20 sheets, so not the greatest deal you can get at Dollar Tree, but they smell wonderful. LA's Totally Awesome Laundry Detergent plus Fabric Softener, 64 fluid ounces for $1. You really can't beat that. This cleans your clothes. It doesn't leave any residue behind. It has a great scent. The only thing, the scent is faint, and it won't linger on your clothes, so you pair this with a scent booster for sure. Other than that, it does clean the clothes and everything, and I always repurchase it. I love it. And for $1 for 64 ounces, you can't beat it. Anywhere from 12 to 15 loads out of this bottle. The Ajax, Ultra Ajax Charcoal and Citrus. I love the scent of this one, but it does say it strips grease guaranteed. I don't think it did a good as job as my Palmolive, and I probably won't repurchase this in the future. I do think it's a good deal. You get 14 ounces for $1, but it does not work near as good as some of the other cleaners that are available at Dollar Tree. Now, I recently discovered this one, and it's the Palmolive Ultra Strength. This is amazing. This has replaced my blueberry and almond milk for now because it works that great. It works that fast. I love it. A little goes a long way. It suds way more than any of the other Dollar Tree stuff I've used. I have a 80 count straws here. These are the long neon ones. The kids love these straws, and I continue to repurchase them. I think it's a good deal. You get 80 of them for $1. They're bright, fun colors. They have a super stretchy long neck, so you can do fun things like loop-de-loos. Next up I have SureFresh cover-ups. These are bowl covers, variety pack. If you've never used these, they come in a 17 count, and they come in various sizes. These are awesome for leftovers, awesome for things you want to take to work with you, leftover wise. You could do a number of things with these. They have a stretchy band around them like a rubber band. They grip the sides of the bowl, and for $1 and you get 17 of these, definitely highly recommend trying these bowl covers out for sure. Also from SureFresh, I have some of their freezer quart bags, the heavy duty ones that have the double zipper, and you get 15 bags for $1. I love these. I always use these. I've used them in my freezer. I use them in my refrigerator. I use them for snacks. I use them all over the kitchen, but I am impressed. I've never had any food freezer burn in these bags. So that's pretty awesome. I'll continue to repurchase these. Electronic wipes from eCircuit. You get 25 in here. I do really like these. I think I did a full review on these, and they do clean your electronics, your phones, computers, TV screens, all that stuff. They do get them clean. The only problem is they do leave back like a little film, so you're going to need to wipe the surface after you clean it with a microfiber cloth, and that seems to help. And I picked this up from the Dollar Tree, the Lysol Hygienic Automatic Toilet Cleaner in Lavender Fields. Now the packaging claims that this lasts for 2 weeks. I've had this in my toilet for about 4 weeks and it's still there. It does help maintain, helping your bowl stay clean. It doesn't deep clean or anything like that. You will need to periodically clean your toilet in this time, but it does help reduce the time or the quickness it takes for your toilet to start getting nasty and grimy, if that makes sense. So I do like this. I would definitely pick this up for $1 again in the future. I did see they have 2 packs at Walmart of these for $3. If I find them at the Dollar Tree again, I would definitely pick it up. It has a nice strong scent as well. But now the scent on mine has kind of worn off. Like I said, it's been in there about 4 weeks and still working. But I like this, so definitely recommend. Oh, we only have a few more things left here. From the Home Essentials, I have a suit storage bag. And instead of storing any kind of suit in here, I use these to store coats. I use these to store my dresses just recently, and I love these bags. Yes, they are a little flimsy, they are thin, they will rip easily, but you have to be careful. So you have to be careful with the zipper as well. And but overall though, these do keep my clothing safe all winter long until it's ready to drag them back out in spring and summer, and vice versa that. So these are awesome, and I always want to shed light on things that I use around the house and everyday kind of storage situations as well. So this is awesome for that. The Home Essentials hangers. These hangers are awesome. I got them in bright pink. You get 7 for $1. What's not to love? They have the little hooks on the side of them too, so it will grab your clothes and they won't slide off on the side. And I'm sure a lot of you probably buy their hangers as well. Really good stuff. Now the last thing I have is not so much house related, but it is from the Teaching Tree. This is a game and it's called Feed the Monster Alphabet Game. Now this was a fun little game to do with Connor. He's now in kindergarten and he loved this. The only thing is you get 2 sheets of stickers, and these stickers are fairly limited to the alphabet. Like you'll get like 1 sticker for like X, things like that. But if you're doing like A, B, and C, you know, possibly even D or something, like there's going to be a few stickers for those letters. Now it does have a dry erase spot where you can write the letter and you put the stickers in their belly. And it says use a dry erase pen to write any letter in the white square. He absolutely loved this, but I will say, I mean, for $1, you're going to get 4 uses really out of this, unless you just change the letter and let them put stickers over top of the existing stickers. So, but this was really cool. This is a really neat little thing. And, you know, for $1, I really can't hate on it. It's really kind of neat. And it kept him busy for a long time. I just wanted to share this with you. Maybe they still have it and you can check it out for yourselves. That was my Household Empties video. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Check the description box for additional links. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already. Thank you so very much for watching.